In this short video, I'm going to present to you a quick solution how now you can build a simple AI chatbot with Vercel's AI SDK. Extremely simple and extremely useful implementation, and also Node.js. So the only thing you need to do is basically to follow those 3 simple steps to start creating your project, and then I will just guide you quickly through the code for the implementation. So as usual, inside your project folder, I'm calling my Vercel AI, start initializing the node packages by running npm init-i, and that will generate the package JSON file with all needed references. After that, you can start creating your app.js file where we are going to run the code and write the code to execute. .env file, and also inside save both of them inside your project folder, and also do not forget to set OpenAPI key value inside your .env file. To get hold of OpenAPI key, of course you need to generate your account on OpenAPI, and then you will get the API key for usage. When those 2 steps are completed, the next thing is basically to importing the all needed and required packages by running the command npm install AI from Vercel AI .env, so that we can get hold of the API key, and also AI SDK from OpenAI. Also, when everything is installed, do not forget to change or add type module inside your package JSON file. So it should look something like this, basically, and then you are ready to start writing the code. So let's start by importing the required packages. So basically what we have here is OpenAI, generate text from AI SDK, and also config from .env, so that we can read our open API key. So execute config so that we can get the hold of the API key, and also let's start by writing our main function that is going to execute the code. So as you can see, this is extremely thin and extremely small amount of code, but it will bring you a lot of value. Start by creating the async function that we are calling main, and then inside that function you can just declare variable result, and basically execute generate text from AI, and inside of that you need to do this small configuration. So basically model, we are going to use the Open AI's GPT 4.0, but of course you can change and use basically a lot of different models, and this is really great with Vercel's SDK. I'm also adding temperature to 1, so it doesn't hallucinate, and then also writing the prompt. So basically what I want to do is basically to explain to me what is the definition of the product development, and then I will also console log the results, so basically the answer that I'm getting back from the AI. And then let's execute the main function, and if there is any error, let's catch those also inside the console. So the only thing we need to do is basically then to execute the code. by running node app.js and hitting the enter, and then in just a few seconds we will get the result that is coming out back from our prompt. So here are the key phases typically involved in the product development, and here you can read the information that is coming from OpenAI's API. That will give us some small inspirations of how and what needs to be done to start product development. So basically that's all. As I said, really simple, and I'm letting you to try it out and to maybe create something bigger than this. So I hope you find my videos interesting, and I would appreciate if you hit the like button and also following me. That also makes me more up to creating even more future simple easy videos that you hopefully will get inspired. Thank you guys, have a fantastic day, and I hope to talk to you soon again. Bye bye.